Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we'll discuss a key professional skill, writing a 2 weeks notice letter. This is an essential letter when you're leaving a job, as it allows you to resign professionally, maintain positive relationships, and leave a lasting impression. In this video, we'll break down an example letter step by step. I'll guide you through each part and explain how to write it effectively. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident crafting your own 2 weeks notice letter. Let's get started. The header, setting the professional tone. We start with the basic details at the top of the letter. Sarah Williams, 2678 Willow Street, Orlando, Florida, 32801. November 20th, 2024. Here, you include your name, address, and the date. Adding your address may seem old-fashioned, but it's standard in professional correspondence. It provides a formal touch and serves as a point of reference. Next comes the recipient's information. Mr. Robert Henderson, Manager, Marketing Department, Bright Horizons Agency, 1234 Sunset Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90028. Make sure to address your letter to your direct supervisor or manager. Use their full name and job title to maintain a professional tone. Including the company address ensures everything is properly documented. Subject line. Clear and direct. The subject line of the letter reads: Subject: 2 weeks notice of resignation. This is short, clear, and to the point. The subject line immediately informs the recipient of the purpose of your letter. When writing yours, avoid being vague. Clarity is key in professional settings. Opening paragraph. Announcing your resignation. Now, let's look at the opening paragraph. Dear Mr. Henderson, I am writing to formally announce my resignation from my position as marketing specialist at Bright Horizons Agency, effective 2 weeks from today, with my last working day being December 4th, 2024. This paragraph does 3 important things. 1. Announces your resignation. This is the main purpose of the letter, so it's crucial to be direct and professional. 2. Mentions your job title. This clarifies your role for any official records. 3. Includes your last working day. Stating this up front helps the employer plan the transition. Notice the professional tone. Phrases like formally announce and effective 2 weeks from today set the right tone while respecting workplace norms. Second paragraph. Expressing gratitude. The second paragraph is where you express gratitude. This decision was not an easy one, as I have truly valued the opportunities to grow and develop my skills during my time here. Working under your leadership and alongside such talented colleagues has been an enriching experience that I will carry with me throughout my career. This is a critical part of your letter. Always express appreciation for your time at the company. In this example, the phrase, "not an easy decision," shows thoughtfulness and respect for the organization. Mentioning opportunities to grow acknowledges the role the company has played in your professional development. Recognizing leadership and talented colleagues conveys genuine gratitude and leaves a positive impression. Be specific about what you've gained. This helps the letter feel more personal and sincere. Third paragraph. Offering a smooth transition. The third paragraph focuses on your commitment to a smooth transition. Please rest assured that I am committed to ensuring a smooth transition during this period. I will make every effort to complete all ongoing projects, provide thorough documentation, and assist in training a replacement if required. This is an essential part of a 2 weeks notice letter. It reassures your employer that you'll leave on a professional note. Phrases like committed to ensuring a smooth transition and assist in training a replacement demonstrate responsibility and goodwill. When writing your letter, think about what you can do to make the transition easier. It might include wrapping up tasks, documenting processes, or even mentoring your successor. Closing paragraph, expressing gratitude again. Let's move to the closing paragraph. Thank you once again for the support and encouragement you have provided me during my tenure. I look forward to staying in touch and hope to cross paths again in the future. This paragraph reiterates your gratitude. Notice the phrase "thank you once again." It emphasizes appreciation without sounding repetitive. Ending on a positive and optimistic note is always a good idea. By saying, "I look forward to staying in touch," you leave the door open for future professional connections. Offering assistance, encouraging communication. The letter ends with an offer to assist further. If there is anything else I can do to assist in this transition, please feel free to reach out to me. This shows you're willing to go above and beyond to help during the transition. It also encourages open communication and ensures your manager knows you're approachable. Professional sign off. Finally, we have the closing. Sincerely, Sarah Williams, 407 555 2387, sarah.williams@email.com. The sign off, sincerely, is professional and appropriate for this context. Including your contact information here is helpful, even if your employer already has it. It shows you're organized and willing to stay accessible during the transition. And there you have it, a well-structured 2 weeks notice letter. Let's recap the key elements. Start with a professional header, including your information and the company's. Clearly state your resignation and last working day in the opening paragraph. Express gratitude for your time at the company and mention specific positive experiences. Offer your commitment to a smooth transition and outline how you'll help. Reiterate your appreciation and leave on a positive note. Close with a professional sign-off and provide your contact details. Remember, this letter is not just about leaving, it's about leaving professionally and respectfully. Even if you're moving on, maintaining good relationships with your current employer can benefit you in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials. We'll see you next time with more tips on professional and personal writing. Thanks for watching.